Good evening. Welcome to Times of MGM. I am Riya Sarajiji of Class 12 CIP1. Today's news headlines are as follows. First of all, MGM News. Festival of Raksha Bandhan and Eid was celebrated on virtual mode by pre-primary wing students of MGM Senior Secondary School Sector 6 Bhilai on August 14, 2020, which got 1.2k views. Mark Theodosius Memorial e-portal 3 Eyes, that is, interaction with icons of inspiration, webinar on Live Zone was broadcasted in which Sunu Matthew, founder and managing director of Leap India Private Limited, shared his experience and guided the children to set a goal and move towards it with courage. Now some international news. NASA plans planetary mission to Venus after evidence of possible life. California faces more devastation from raging wildfire. Now some national news. India records highest single-day spike in COVID cases. India's coronavirus tally crossed 55 lakh mark on Tuesday on account of 75,083 new cases in last 24 hours. In New Education Policy 2020, 10+2 board structure is dropped. And that's all for today's news. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting news.
We don't stop exercising because we grow old, but we grow old because we stop exercising. Hello everyone, this is Vidya Nair, PTI, MGM Senior Secondary School, Bhilai. I'm sure today my words are going to help you a lot in this pandemic. As we all know that the very first requirement to fight the novel coronavirus is a sound immune system of any individual. At this time of hardship, when most of us are working from home, just sitting in front of the computers and mobile phones, there is no physical activity in our life. But to improve our immune system, doing physical exercises, activities is very essential. Since I'm a physical educationist, I will be enlightening you about the way our life gets more prosperous through the involvement of physical activities. In this context, the very first thing which comes to my mind is discipline. It's a known fact that discipline is the foremost requirement if a person seeks success in life. The very first step towards success is discipline. Physical exercises not only helps us to be in discipline, but it also enriches our life. Along with success and discipline, it helps us in many ways which I'll be dealing here now. I'll be telling you the benefits of exercising, or I'll be telling you the reasons why do we need exercise. The first point, being the very common one, is physical fitness and weight loss. We all might be knowing that to keep ourselves physically fit, only taking a balanced and a good diet is not sufficient enough. Along with that, we need to work out. By doing regular workout, we not only become physically fit, but we are also strengthening our muscles and bones at the same time. People who suffer from obesity should regularly work out, as it will help to burn out the extra fat in their body and reduce weight. Let's come to the second point. It boosts your memory. Working out boosts your memory and the ability to learn new things. While we work out, we perspirate, which results in the production of the cells responsible for memory and learning. Studies have shown that adults perform better on memory tests after short periods of light workouts. The third point which we are going to discuss is a very common and a very important one: concentration. Exercising regularly is one of the easiest and the most effective ways to reduce the symptoms of ADHD and improves concentration, motivation, memory, and mood. Now, you all might be thinking, what is ADHD? Well, ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. This is a medical condition in which a person has differences in brain development and brain activity that affect attention, the ability to sit still, and self-control. Let's go to the other point: age-related decline. Aging population are a worldwide phenomenon affecting both developed and developing countries. This is a serious issue for both the government as well as for the general public. Regular participation in physical activities can minimize the physiological alterations that occur during aging and contribute to improvements in health and well-being. Numerous studies have shown that exercise improves muscle strength, balance, cardiorespiratory fitness, metabolism, glucose tolerance, daily living activities, and psychological health of the elderly people, even those in 80s and 90s. In summary, exercise has an important influence on aging and age-related disorders. Let's move on to the other point. It is mental health. As physical health is important for all of us, so is mental health. Physical activity has a huge potential to enhance our well-being. Even a 10 minutes of brisk walking increases mental alertness, energy, and positive mood. So it will do wonders for you if you follow the regular workout. The next point which we are going to discuss is it improves our cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is one of the fatty substances we have circulating in our blood. If we have too much of it, it can stick to the inside walls of our arteries, narrowing them, and increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases. If you are diagnosed with high cholesterol, your doctor may have talked to you about exercise. It's not only the amount of cholesterol in the blood that affects our risk, though other factors play a part. One of these is the type of protein that carries the cholesterol through the body. Low density lipoprotein, that is LDL, is more likely to cause problems. High density lipoprotein, that is HDL cholesterol, protects the body from cholesterol buildup. Exercise helps to increase the levels of HDL, that is good cholesterol. Our next point is the prevention and management of diabetes. Diabetes is a very common disease nowadays. For people who have diabetes or any other disease for that matter, the benefits of exercise can't be overstated. Doing regular exercise lowers the blood glucose levels and boosts our body's sensitivity to insulin, countering insulin resistance. It is said prevention is better than cure. So before you are diagnosed with any disease, start working out. It's never too late. Now is the time. The next point which we are going to discuss is improved heart and lungs health. Just as exercise strengthens our muscles in our body, it helps your heart muscles become more efficient and better able to pump blood throughout your body. This means that the heart pushes out more blood with each beat, allowing it to beat slower and keep your blood pressure under control. Now, what all you can do to strengthen your heart? You can do brisk walking, running, swimming, cycling, jumping rope, etc. Just like aerobic exercises help to keep our heart healthy, breathing exercises can make the lungs function more efficiently. Lung specialists recommend breathing exercises for people with asthma and respiratory issues because they help to keep our lungs strong. Let's move on to the other point: increases lean mass and strength. A strength exercise is any activity that makes your muscles work harder than usual. This increases your muscle strength, size, power, and endurance. The activities involve using our body weight or working against a resistance. You should try to do 2 sessions or more of muscle strengthening exercises a week. Let's move to our last point, which is increases our energy levels. Exercise can be a real energy booster for healthy people as well as for those suffering from various medical conditions. One study found that 6 weeks of regular exercise reduced feelings of fatigue for 36 healthy people who had reported persistent fatigue. Exercise has been shown to increase the energy levels in people suffering from progressive illnesses such as cancer, HIV/AIDS, etc. Now, cutting a long story short, I would like to say doctors won't make you healthy, nutritionists won't make you slim, teachers won't make you smart, gurus won't make you calm, mentors won't make you rich, trainers won't make you fit. Ultimately, you have to take responsibility and save yourself. So work out hard, stay healthy, be young.
तो बनोगे नवाब, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, और खेलोगे कूदोगे तो खेलोगे कूदोगे तो पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे लाजवाब. Yes, it is perfectly right to say this in today's perspective. Hello, good evening to all. Myself Kundan Khalsa, sport teacher, NGM Senior Secondary School, Sector 6, Bhilai. Today we will tell you the benefits of the physical education, and we will also give information about the courses and the career related to the physical education. First of all, we try to understand what is physical education. Education is the part of general education program which is considered with growth, development, and education of an individual through the medium of big muscles activities. Physical education not only helps in physical development, but it also helps in mental, social, and emotional development of an individual through various programs of physical education. Let's talk about the courses in physical education. There are various professional courses in physical education such as DPEd, Diploma of Courses in Physical Education, DPEd, Bachelor Degree in Physical Education, Certificate course in Yoga, MPEd, Master Degree in Physical Education, MPhil, PhD in Physical Education also. Now let's talk about the career option in physical education. Mainly there are two types of career option in the field of physical education. The first type of career option are related to teaching and coaching of physical education. The second type of career are related to emerging careers in physical education like health related career, administration related career, sports related career, and media related career also. The teaching career offers many rewards to the teachers, whether they are engaged in high schools, in senior secondary schools, in colleges, or universities. Coaching career is also a traditional career in the field of physical education. Many physical educators prefers to coaching as a career. Job opportunities are also available in state sports department and sports authority of India, that is called SAI in non-school setting. Coaching opportunities are also available with professional teams and commercial sports club. Nowadays, people have become more health conscious. They want to be healthy and fit. They want to keep away from various disease such as hypertension, heart disease, and disorder like obesity and diabetes. Everyone wants to lead a healthy lifestyle. That is why health related career opportunities in the field of physical education have expanded in recent years. If we talk about performance related career, there are so many options you have, like as player, as official, fitness instructor, career in communication media, sports journalism, sports manager, physical therapist, assistant professor, gym trainer. So you have so many options out there. Many career options have been discussed in this program, but still there are many careers in the field of physical education which can be created. If we define physical education only as the teaching of sports and exercise in public schools, it can limit job opportunities. On the other hand, if we define physical education as the art and science of human movement, it can open a number of careers. Various career can be created in the field of physical education, such as sports biomechanics, sports medicine, sports nutrition, sports sociology, sports psychology, and motor learning also. I would like to tell you in details of some profession. For example, officials. The smooth conduct of a sports tournament or competition depend on good officials. There are various officials in a tournament such as referee, umpire, timekeeper, recorder, and scorer. Uh, their requirement depend on the number of tournament and tournament held every year. It is also a good career related to sports and games. I would like to one more profession about physical education, that is sports industry. Career are also available in sports industry. A person who wants a career in sports industry uh, must have the knowledge of physical education and sports. One may establish a sports industry at a small scale. It may be related to only t-shirt or tracksuit. It may be related to only sports footwear. The knowledge of research and designing is also vital for such jobs, because new type of sports equipment and new types of tracksuit or swimsuits which are beneficial for increasing the performance of sports person or athlete are always in demand. I hope you like today's topic. If you like the videos, please share it and subscribe to the channel, and stay at home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you.